Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to the channel. In today's video will be about showing some love for the car. This thing is so dirty, guys. You can't imagine, like you can't see in the camera. I don't know if you can see, you can tell, like, because it's so sunny today. So dirty, guys. I'm not moving the car that much, to be honest. It's been so dusty for the last like 7 days. So much dust. So let's take the car for a quick car wash. Let's go. Yep, it's an automatic, guys. What is that? Is that a real car, bro?
Yeah, for sure. There's an FD RX-7 underneath there.
Seriously?
Yeah. The wheels have been changed, so it doesn't really reflect what's on the cover. But the
Wow,
cover
that's cool.
is supposed to be a direct replica.
That's cool.
What the car is.
Wow.
Yeah. This is the solar beam yellow from Mercedes. This is the.
Oh, this is painted, yeah?
This is peelable paint. Yes.
Wow.
Originally it was white.
This is nice, bro.
This is basically a fully
This is
stock
the garage car, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
They have so much nice cars, guys. They have like many RX-7s. That S15, what is that? A drift project?
That S15 is going to be a pro drift car, yeah. Let us get there and then I'll tell you some more about it.
Of course, they do powder coating.
Yeah, we have a bunch of colors available.
I
use
love
only
this
the best
color.
powders.
So much nice colors. You have more colors for sure, yeah? This is
Yeah,
only for
yeah,
display.
yeah, most definitely. Most definitely. We just didn't get around to preparing some samples, and of course, if you need some specific color, they can always be ordered and they'll be here within 4 to 5 days.
45 days.
4 to 5 days.
4 to 5 days. I was like, wow, what 45 days? Wow, this
Beautiful
is
color. Beautiful.
plain black, what is it? Or it has a name or something?
This is called Blackjack. This is a prismatic powders Blackjack. Fantastic color, super smooth, looks beautiful in the sun.
This is Dima's Beast 5.0 V4 twin turbo.
3.4 twin turbo, yeah, shit, supercharged, turbocharged, everything. Nice.
They also have every oil you need, guys.
Yeah.
Everything. Definitely check them out if you need like service or something. Check them out.
Please let me show you around the workshop.
This is my favorite RX-7. And this is my favorite too. What is that, bro?
This because the car just came out of a wash actually, so we need to protect the engine bay slightly. Let me remove it for you.
No, it's fine, it's fine. That's interesting, man.
It's actually going for the final dyno day today. We had
Ah,
an
this-
appointment booked at 7 p.m.
Wow. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Nice engine bay.
The rotaries are really small, so
Yeah.
there's not much to showcase.
Rotaries everywhere, guys. What is that? RX-7 also? Naked one? And the car, the covered one outside is RX-7 as well? I told you guys, they are the RX-7 kings here.
This is going to be a full restoration. We'll have a 13B billet engine with the BMW dual clutch trans. Should be running around 800 wheel horsepower. This is a long-term build that we're planning to do.
Wow,
Yeah.
interesting. Definitely, guys, follow them on Instagram, follow up the projects they do. They currently have these two projects, this naked RX-7 and that naked S15. Let's go, baby. Finally, The BRZ getting some love. So what's up with the Subi, bro?
Just a coilover installation, short shifter, some transmission switching.
We'll do high-end cars as well. Maserati, CLS. What is that? 63?
63, yeah. We're installing a caseboard coilover system onto it. Fantastic system, super adjustable. You can adjust the rebound and the compression independently. You see many options to choose from. Super reliable and robust as well. Please do not touch. This header has just been Cerakoted Cobra Black.
Cobra Black.
Cobra Black, yeah. It's for a FJ40, if I'm not mistaken, I believe.
You just get the parts from the customers, or like they come here and remove the parts here, or what?
Both ways. But this was sent to us from a local workshop based here in Mustafa that does restoration for these classic FJs.
What is it, oven?
This is an oven, yeah. We have to degas the parts and cure them here. We have dry blasting, we have wet glass bead blasting, and of course the powder coating booth.
Here where all the magic happens, guys. Definitely, if you're looking to do like some powder coating stuff, this is your one-stop shop in Abu Dhabi, or maybe in the UAE, or maybe in the world.
Aim high, right?
Aim high. Check this out, guys. What color is that?
This is the prismatic universe. Beautiful.
Wow. Imagine painting the full car this color. So here it is, clean. Again, just like brand new. By the way, this is not white, guys. This is called crystal pearl white. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. And wow, man, that looks clean, bro.
She's back like new.
Yeah, thank you so much. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, like this pearl crystal white. I think you can see it here. So this is not white, alright, guys? And there's Dima with his Mustang. EFR Motorsports. Big shout out. Thank you so much, Dima.
Anytime.
I think I should do like a review on this car. V8 Monster, 6-speed manual. Right, I feel like this yellow looks the most beautiful color on this car.
It definitely stands out, especially in the sun. The triple yellow does some magic for sure.
Alright guys, thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, that will help a lot. And see you in the next video.